Anansi the spider got his long, spindly legs. One day he walked into town and smelled all the food his animal friends were cooking. He asked his friend Rabbit for some of his famous stewed greens. "They're almost ready, Anansi," said Rabbit. "Want to help me cook them?" But helping wasn't part of Anansi's plan. "I'd love to," Anansi said, "but I have to do, other things. Tell you what, I'll tie my web to the pot and, when it's ready, just give it a tug." By other things, Anansi meant asking for monkey's beans, zebra's carrots, meerkat's garlic bread, badger's honey cakes, hedgehog's zucchini fries, aardvark's ant casserole, and impala's no-bake keto bars. Before long, Anansi was tied to 8 cook pots, and feeling very pleased with himself. It's not like all 8 will be ready at the same. And that's when Anansi felt tugging at all 8 legs. Ouch! Soon, a very hungry Anansi stumbled home on his suddenly very long and spindly spider legs, realizing that if you stretch the truth, sometimes it stretches.